Hello and welcome to the Views Club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cucumber coconut lime drink. This is amazing and it's going to be as smooth or as thick as you want it. You can use the young coconut, you can use the water from your hard coconut, or you can use some of these little packs that I find very helpful whenever I want a quick, refreshing drink. The calories in this is very mild. It's about 30 calories per serving, and you're looking at 3 grams of carbs with 2 dietary fibers. So if you guys are watching your sugars, keep that in mind. So I have some of my cucumber water left over that I had in the refrigerator, so this is what I'm going to spice it up with today. Now let me go ahead and open my coconut pack. You know, I'm adding cilantro to mine because I really like the freshness of cilantro, but if you don't, you can keep it out. Let me get a scissors real quick. Careful with your nuggets. I am careful with my nuggets, sis. I like these because whenever I can eat a quick snack, I just open these up and put a little bit of lime and tapatio. And I'm set because I like coconut. I'm cuckoo for coconuts. Wait, that's a different one. Okay, so just break that in there. It's so good. All right, friends, my sister got me this coconut from Whole Foods if you guys are looking for it. And I sometimes am able to find stuff like this at an Asian market in the freezer section. They have such great quality ingredients there. They really do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start off with 1 key lime. Again, if cilantro is not your thing, keep it out, but for me, it helps me detoxify. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And just like that, we have a quick, refreshing drink. I think the fat in the coconut always helps me stay full, and then combining it with the cucumber, it's even like a double win, you know? I was thinking of putting the cup, but I'm gonna be drinking it throughout because we have a lot of work to do, homeschooling and stuff, so. Oh my God, that's so good. It's light, refreshing. If you're looking for something sweet, this is not gonna be it. If it's not too like vegetable-like, it's very, very smooth. It's very, very light. If before you guys add anything to this and make it comfortable for your home, give it a try just like this. You're really, really gonna enjoy it. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, I just chugged this. It's that good. You know what? Having detox drinks or losing weight shouldn't have to taste nasty. This is amazing. If you're not big with the cilantro, maybe add some dill, some parsley, like the flat parsley. That would taste good in here, or keep it out, just the 2 combinations. You're gonna see how it's gonna change up the water for you. Because if you're just drinking the same thing over and over, sometimes you're like, I'm done with it. Because I'm the same way. So that's why I decided to switch up my cucumber water today with a little bit of coconut. And I was still able to portion it out and keep it light. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure to take the time to subscribe. And after you subscribe, you're gonna see a little bell pop up. That's how you're gonna be able to tell if you get notifications from me after you click it. So if you guys are making these delicious recipes, make sure to send them to me on Twitter and Instagram so I can post them right here. thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Adios!